Is your home decor feeling drab and outdated? Here's 10 ways to refresh your space and bring it back to life.
So let's go.
Okay,
First
let's
up,
go.
a fresh coat of paint can do wonders for a room.
Choose bold colors and patterns.
It complements your decor and watch your space come to life.
Next on our list,
Updating your lighting fixtures.
lighting sets the mood.
Choose modern fixtures that match your style and add a touch of elegance to your space.
So go ahead and swap out those outdated fixtures for something sleek and modern. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes. Now let's talk about one of my personal favorites.
Adding a new throw pillow to your sofa and chairs can instantly refresh your space.
It's like giving them a fashion makeover.
Choose bold colors and patterns that complement your decor. A new area rug
Oh, the power of a well-chosen rug.
can also make a big difference. Choose a modern pattern and color that ties your space together.
Also adds warmth and texture. Don't overlook the importance of window treatments. They not only provide privacy, but also enhance the overall aesthetic of your space.
Updating your window treatments can also make a big difference. Choose modern curtains or blinds that let in natural light and complement your decor.
So ditch those old curtains and choose modern window treatments while adding a touch of sophistication.
Adding new artwork to your walls can also make your space bigger and brighter. Choose modern pieces or make a modern piece that complements your decor and add a touch of personality to your space.
Art has the incredible ability to transform a room and make it truly unique. So don't hesitate to add new artwork to your walls. Choose pieces that speak to you and reflect your personal style. Trust me, it's the perfect finishing touch. Updating your hardware might seem like a small detail, but it can make a big impact. It's a simple and budget-friendly way to give your space a modern edge.
Choose modern handles and knobs for your kitchen cabinets or drawers that match your style. Adding new plants to your space can also refresh your decor.
Bringing nature indoors is always a good idea. Introducing new plants to your space not only adds a pop of greenery, but also improves air quality.
Plants that can thrive indoors like monstera, fiddle leaf.
Accessories are like the jewelry of your home. They add personality and style.
Choose modern decor pieces that complement your style.
So update your decor with modern accessories that reflect your taste. Whether it's vases, sculptures, or trendy wall decor, have fun experimenting and let your creativity shine.
Finally, adding a modern accent wall can refresh your space.
They're a fantastic way to make a bold statement and add character to any room.
Choose a bold color or pattern that complements your decor, that adds a touch of personality in your space.
And turn the dull wall into a focal point that grabs attention.
By following these 10 tips, you can refresh your home and make your dated interior come back to life. Create a space that's uniquely
Your
yours.
home is a reflection of your personality. So don't be afraid to get
Okay, let's
creative
go.
and have fun with the process.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe
Okay,
and
let's
share
go.
for more. Bye.